Congratulations. And winner by default po is Team In Flights. Yan.
Alright.
Okay, sorry. Yan.
1, 2,
Okay.
go!
Okay. Team Impress po, winner by default po ha. O yan.
Sige.
Okay.
Alright. Your
Oh.
turn. Yeah, decide. Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Yes. You have to afterwards. 1, 2, 3. Go.
Okay.
Interview.
Okay, 2 minutes interview lang po. Roy. Okay, Roy. Okay. We have Nelson, Roy, and number 7 is number po. Ano? Lopez. Okay, Roy and Lopez po. Okay, sir, alam natin po, medyo keyboard yung nag-win ba dito. Pero tell me what your plans for the next games na lang po.
Preparation.
Yes, for sure. Dahil meron pa kayong nakakalala sa pa, yung kasi ako po nakakalala.
Ganda namin yung kawala.
Oryx, naglaban ng Oryx pa, hindi pa. Okay, of course, Roy, how about you?
Yeah, we're going to play today.
Yeah, of course, you'll have that tune up now.
Practice today.
Tune up.
Coordinate more for the next game.
Yeah.
Definitely going to win.
Congratulations. Okay, now, 1 minute, 1 shoutout. Okay, Roy first. Okay, Roy first. Shoutout your family, loved ones, everybody. Okay.
Shout out for my family and my teammates and everyone who's playing for the love.
Okay. And question Lopez, ikaw rin.
Shout out to my family, to my wife and my son and my friends at home.
Okay, yan po at Team In Flights winner by default. Maraming salamat po. See you po. Ayan.